Someone walked into Dollar Tree last week looking for dish soap and walked out, having accidentally discovered the exact item that was about to solve a garden problem they had been working around for 2 full seasons. They did not know it was going to solve that problem when they picked it up. They picked it up because something about it caught their attention, and they stood there for a moment, thinking about it differently than the label suggested. That is what this video is about. Not what Dollar Tree says these items are for, what they actually do when you bring them into a garden and start thinking creatively about what problem they solve. Stick around because find number 7 is something so unexpected that the first time I used it in my garden, I genuinely stood back and laughed at how obvious it seemed in hindsight and how long I had been overpaying for the inferior version. Hey there, welcome to Nature Nest TV, where we find the smartest, most creative ways to build and maintain a beautiful garden without spending more than you have to on any of it. If you are new here, you just found the channel that looks at ordinary things and sees garden solutions. And if you have been watching for a while, you already know that we take this seriously. Every find on this list has been tested. Every use has been tried. Nothing is here because it sounds clever in theory. Everything is here because it works in practice. Let's get into it. Dollar Tree's best garden finds for 2026. The items that are genuinely worth picking up, the uses that most people walking past them never consider, and the reasons why several of these are better than the expensive versions sold specifically for the purpose. Before we start, if getting more out of your garden for less money is something you actively care about, hit that subscribe button right now. Nature Nest TV drops fresh garden content every single week, and you do not want to be the one who finds out about these things after everyone else already has. All right, let's go through what is actually worth your attention this year. Find number 1, wire cooling racks from the kitchen section. Most people who pick these up are thinking about cookies. Put that thought down completely and pick up a different one. Wire cooling racks from Dollar Tree's kitchen section are among the most genuinely useful garden tools available in the entire store, and almost nobody in the garden section is talking about them because nobody thinks to look for garden tools in the kitchen aisle. Here is what a wire cooling rack does in a garden context that nothing sold in the actual garden section does as well. Soil sifting. Place the rack over a bucket or wheelbarrow. Work your soil across the grid surface, and everything you do not want, rocks, roots, clumps, debris, stays on top, while fine workable soil falls through into your container below. The wire spacing is essentially ideal for this purpose. Not so fine that it clogs immediately, not so coarse that it lets through material you wanted to remove. Professional soil sifters sold in garden centers run $20 to $50 for a wire frame with mesh that does the identical job. This costs $1.25 and performs the task without any meaningful difference in result. I have been using the same cooling rack for 3 growing seasons. It rinses clean in under a minute, the metal does not degrade in sun or weather, and it has never once given me a reason to consider replacing it. That is the definition of a garden find worth talking about. Find number 2, foam hair rollers from the beauty section. This one requires you to walk past the garden section entirely and head to beauty and hair care and pick up something that has never once been marketed to a gardener. Foam hair rollers. The soft cylindrical kind with the flexible closure that wraps around and secures them in place. Here is what they do in a garden that traditional plant ties consistently fail to do well. They support stems without damaging them. The foam is soft enough that it cushions rather than cuts into plant tissue. The flexible closure allows you to attach them to a stake or trellis quickly without tools and without complicated knots. And as the plant grows and the stem thickens, the foam has enough give that it accommodates the growth rather than strangling it the way rigid ties and wire can. Traditional plant ties from the garden center cost more per piece, provide less cushioning, and do not reuse as cleanly or as many times. A pack of foam hair rollers contains 8 to 12 pieces, costs around $2.50, and supports a full season of tomato training, bean climbing, and whatever else in your garden needs gentle guidance upward. The first time you use one and then look at the wire tie sitting beside it, you will wonder why you ever accepted the inferior option. Find number 3, plastic drawer organizers from the home section. The chaos of seed storage is one of those garden problems that nobody talks about loudly enough given how much time and money it wastes every single season. Packets from 3 years ago mixed in with packets from this year. Varieties you cannot identify because the label faded. Duplicates bought because you forgot you already had them. A general sense of disorder every time planting season arrives, and you need to find something specific quickly. Dollar Tree's plastic drawer organizers solve this problem completely for under $5, and the solution they provide is identical in function to seed storage systems sold specifically for this purpose at $20 to $40. Multiple compartments in various sizes. Clear construction so you can see what is inside without opening anything. Sturdy enough to stack and move without the contents shifting into chaos. Here is the system that works. One organizer for vegetables, sorted by plant family. One for flowers sorted by bloom season. One for herbs and anything that does not fit the other two categories. Label each compartment with Dollar Tree label stickers. Store the whole system in a cool, dry indoor location. Add a small notebook alongside it where you track which varieties performed well, which ones disappointed, and what you want to try next season. The money saved in not buying duplicate seed packets you already owned pays for these organizers multiple times over in the first season alone. Organization is not an exciting purchase. The time and money it saves every single week of the growing season absolutely is. Find number 4, mesh laundry bags from the cleaning section. Another item that exists in a completely different section of the store from where garden solutions are supposed to live, and does a garden job better than most products sold specifically for that garden job. Mesh laundry bags with drawstring closures from Dollar Tree's cleaning section are the best produce curing and storage solution available at any price point relative to what they cost. Harvest garlic and load 6 to 8 heads into each bag. Hang the bags in any covered area with good airflow. The mesh allows air to reach every surface of every bulb simultaneously from every direction, which is exactly the condition that perfect curing requires. 3 weeks later, your garlic is cured without rot, without mold, without any of the problems that flat surface curing in a single layer produces when air circulation is uneven. The same bags work for onions, shallots, small potatoes, drying herb bundles, saving seed heads from flowering plants, protecting ripening fruit on the vine from birds and insects. The drawstring means they hang from anything: a nail, a hook, a branch, a fence rail. The mesh means nothing inside them suffocates from lack of airflow. Buy several packs now and have them ready before the harvest season arrives, rather than improvising a solution when your hands are already full of garlic. Find number 5, pool noodles from the seasonal section. Pool noodles appear at Dollar Tree in volume as the warm season arrives, and most people buying them are thinking about water. Think about your garden shed instead, specifically about every sharp edge, every uncomfortable handle, and every blade that is currently unprotected and waiting to either rust, damage another tool, or catch your hand at an inconvenient moment. Cut a section of pool noodle 4 to 6 inches long, slice it down one side, slip it over a shovel blade, a hoe edge, or a pruning shear jaw. Instant blade guard that prevents rust by keeping moisture from sitting directly on metal, protects other tools stored nearby from damage caused by contact with unguarded edges, and protects your hands when you are reaching into tool storage without looking carefully enough at what is in there. Cut longer sections and slide them onto the handles of long-handled tools, shovels, rakes, hoes. The foam creates a cushioned grip that changes how your hands feel after a full day of garden work in a way that is difficult to describe until you have experienced it and then impossible to go back from. One pool noodle at Dollar Tree prices protects every tool in your shed. The foam is weather resistant, does not degrade in heat or cold, and if a piece eventually wears out, you have the rest of the noodle waiting to replace it. Find number 6, command hooks in multiple sizes from the home section. The difference between a garden shed that works efficiently and a garden shed that wastes your time every single day comes down almost entirely to whether every tool has a designated visible spot that you can reach in one motion without moving anything else first. Command hooks make that system possible without drilling, without permanent installation, and without a commitment to any particular layout that cannot be changed the moment your needs shift. Small hooks for hand trowels, pruners, and small cultivators. Medium hooks for larger hand tools and coiled hoses. Heavy-duty hooks for long-handled equipment. Mount them across every available wall surface, organized by how frequently you reach for each tool and how logically one item relates to the ones beside it. Here is the specific value of command hooks over screws and nails for this application. If you decide the layout is wrong, you pull the strip, reposition the hook, and the wall has no memory of the previous arrangement. You can reorganize your entire shed in an afternoon without the visual record of every previous attempt staring back at you from a collection of holes in the wall. I reorganized my shed twice in fun season before I found the layout that genuinely worked. Neither attempt left a mark. The final version has been unchanged for 2 seasons because getting the layout right was easy enough to keep doing until it was actually right. Find number 7. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning. Glass cylinder vases, used as outdoor lanterns. The first time I placed a battery-operated fairy light strand inside a Dollar Tree glass cylinder vase, set it on my patio at dusk, and watched what happened to the light as darkness arrived, I understood immediately why I had been overpaying for outdoor lanterns and decorative lighting for years. The glass diffuses the light. It softens it, spreads it, warms it into something ambient and beautiful that a bare bulb or an exposed string of lights simply cannot produce. Here is the full range of what this find does at various price points of zero additional spending. 3 vases grouped at different heights on a side table create a clustered lantern moment that looks like a styling decision made by someone who knows what they are doing. A single large vase placed beside your largest planter at ground level adds as a warm pool of light at soil level that makes the whole planting look dramatic and considered after dark. A row of identical vases along a fence or patio edge creates a lighting rhythm that defines the boundary of your outdoor space in the most welcoming way possible. The vases cost $1.25 each. The battery fairy lights cost the same. The total investment per light source is $2.50. The result is outdoor lighting that people consistently assume came from a specialty lighting store and cost considerably more than the dinner I mentioned at the beginning of this video. Nobody believes the actual number when I tell them. I tell them anyway, because the look on their face is one of the better rewards this kind of creative thinking produces. Hey, quick pause here because the remaining finds on this list include some of the most specific and highest value items in the entire store right now, and I do not want you to get to the end of this video and feel like you missed the best parts while I was asking you to like and subscribe. So I am going to ask you right now and get it out of the way. If Nature Nest TV has been giving you real garden value today, hit that like button. Subscribe if you are not already here every week. Drop a comment telling me which find surprised you most because I read every single one and what you tell me shapes what I make next. Now let us finish this list. Find number 8. Suction cup hooks from the home section. Greenhouses, cold frames, hoop houses, and any other covered growing structure present a specific organization challenge that standard hooks and hanging hardware cannot solve without damaging the covering material. You cannot drill into greenhouse plastic. You cannot nail into a polytunnel frame without creating a weakness in the structure. You need something that attaches to smooth surfaces without penetrating them, and releases without leaving residue or damage when you need to remove or reposition it. Dollar Tree suction cup hooks solve this problem exactly. They adhere to greenhouse plastic, glass panels, or any smooth surface using suction alone. Use them to hang small pruners and snips inside the greenhouse where you need them, rather than carrying tools back and forth from the shed. Mount thermometers and humidity gauges at eye level so you can monitor conditions without searching for the instrument. Hang small bags of supplies, plant ties, labels, clips at the points in the greenhouse where you actually use them. When the growing season ends and you need to remove the plastic sheeting for cleaning or storage, every suction hook comes off cleanly in one motion. No residue, no damage, no torn plastic. No weak points in your covering material. They go back on just as easily when the structure goes back up. It is the most renter-friendly, structure-friendly, and budget-friendly organizational solution available for covered growing spaces, and it lives at Dollar Tree for just over $1 per hook. Find number 9. Plastic storage bins in nesting sizes from the home section. Self-watering planters are one of the most genuinely effective tools available for growing healthy plants, with less daily maintenance and less risk of the stress that comes from inconsistent watering. Commercial self-watering systems run $20 to $60 per planter depending on size and brand. Dollar Tree's plastic storage bins available in multiple sizes that nest inside each other with space between them build the identical system for under $3 per planter, regardless of size. The outer bin is your water reservoir. The inner bin, drilled with drainage holes across the bottom and up the lower sides, sits inside the outer bin. Soil goes in the inner bin. Water goes in the gap between the two bins. Capillary action draws moisture up through the drainage holes as the plant needs it, creating the consistent moisture level that most plants prefer over the cycle of soaking and drying that standard container watering produces. The DIY element here is not a compromise. It is actually an advantage because you can build this system in whatever size suits your specific plant and space requirements. Small nested bins for herbs and compact plants. Large nested bins for tomatoes, peppers, and anything else with significant water demands. The same principle scaled to whatever you need, rather than whatever size the commercial product comes in. Once you build one of these and see how consistently and healthily your plants perform, you will build several more. Every gardener who tries this does. Find number 10. Microfiber cloths from the cleaning section. The last find on this list is the one most people would walk past without stopping, and it is the one that quietly improves every other element of your garden when you use it consistently and without thinking much about it. Microfiber cloths in multi-packs from Dollar Tree's cleaning section are the maintenance tool that makes everything else you have done in your garden look as good as it is capable of looking. Clean the glass faces of your solar lights regularly, and they charge to full capacity every day, rather than gradually dimming as a layer of pollen and dust builds up between the panel and the sun. Wipe down your pots and containers periodically, and they look tended and intentional, rather than slowly accumulating the grime that makes even beautiful plantings look neglected. Clean your tools after each use and they last longer, feel better in your hand, and represent the kind of relationship with your garden equipment that serious gardeners have and casual gardeners consistently wish they had developed earlier. Here is the truth about garden maintenance that takes most people too long to accept. The gardens that look expensive and considered do not look that way because expensive things were purchased for them. They look that way because someone maintains them consistently, and that consistency is visible in every clean surface, every tended edge, and every tool that looks like it is cared for rather than merely stored. Microfiber cloths from Dollar Tree make that consistency so cheap and so easy that the only remaining obstacle is remembering to do it. And once you start doing it, you will not need reminding because the results are immediate and the habit forms quickly. So there they are. Dollar Tree's best garden finds for 2026. Wire cooling racks that outperform professional soil sifters. Foam hair rollers that are gentler on your plants than anything sold as a plant tie. Plastic drawer organizers that end seed storage cost permanently. Mesh laundry bags that cure produce better than purpose-built alternatives. Pool noodles that protect every tool in your shed for the cost of one. Command hooks that create organizational systems you can refine without commitment. Glass vases that produce outdoor lighting indistinguishable from expensive specialty products. Suction cup hooks that organize covered growing spaces without touching the structure. Nesting storage bins that build self-watering planters at a fraction of commercial prices. And microfiber cloths that make the maintenance habit so easy it stops feeling like maintenance. Here is what connects every single item on this list. None of them are in the garden section. None of them are labeled for garden use. None of them were designed with a gardener in mind. And every single one of them performs a garden task better, cheaper, or more conveniently than the products sold specifically for that task in the actual garden aisle. Dollar Tree is full of solutions to garden problems. Most of them are just waiting in the wrong section for someone to find them. That someone is you. Now, go find them. Hit that like button if this list gave you at least one thing you are heading to Dollar Tree to pick up this week, and subscribe to Nature Nest TV so you never miss the monthly finds, the seasonal guides, and the budget garden content that keeps coming every single week. I will see you in the next one.